The Green March was a historic event on 6 November 1975. About 350,000 unarmed Moroccan civilians participated to assert Morocco's claim over Western Sahara. A long time ago, Spain ruled Western Sahara. After Morocco became independent in 1956, it wanted Western Sahara to be part of Morocco. This caused some problems in the 1970s. On 6 November 1975, thousands of Moroccans marched into Western Sahara carrying flags and Qurans. The goal was to show Morocco's claim peacefully, without weapons. The march was led by King Hassan II, who encouraged national unity and peaceful action. His leadership inspired citizens to participate courageously. Spain decided to withdraw from Western Sahara, signing the Madrid Accords. The march strengthened Morocco's sovereignty and national pride. The Green March symbolizes peaceful resistance and unity. It is celebrated every year as a national holiday in Morocco. Marchers were unarmed but motivated by faith and patriotism. They carried flags, Qurans, and banners to show their peaceful intentions. The Green March shows that peaceful civilian action can achieve political goals. Morocco continues to celebrate it as a symbol of unity and pride.